So in order to replace the tailgate lock on this Volkswagen Sharan, I removed this plastic trim, but later I realized that it is absolutely not necessary. However, if you want to go down the same route as me, these are the clips you need to pop. After it's off, you will see the tailgate lock itself. It's held in place by two Torx screws. I think they are T30s, but I can be wrong on that one. Here is where I was wrong. It was enough to just pop the surrounding clips around the tailgate lock and you will have access to it. So, remove the two Torx screws and unplug the connector. And guys, if you got any value from this little video, please give me a thumbs up, and if you want to further support the channel, feel free to give a super thanks or join my membership. Once you remove the old tailgate lock, just put the new one back in. Secure it with the two Torx screws and plug back the connector. Put back the plastic trim if you removed it. And that's it, you are done with the job. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one, bye.